Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper wallet to Telegram wallet. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. And now, once you are on your Tonkeeper, you want to go ahead and find Toncoin, or you can just go ahead and click on option send. Once you will choose this option, you will need to go ahead and enter the address here and enter the comment. So to have that, you want to go ahead on Telegram. And on Telegram, you want to click on more assets and click on Toncoin and click receive option. Copy the address, go back to Tonkeeper, paste it here. And after that, all you have to do is click continue. Now you will need to go ahead and enter the ton, how much ton you want to go ahead and send to your Telegram wallet. And that's it. That's how you transfer Toncoin from your Tonkeeper wallet to your Telegram wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.